This is capable of carving and cutting different materials such as plywood, MDF, PCB, acrylic, nylon, carbon fiber, leather, graphite blocks, inlays in wood, plexiglass, vinyl, brass, and other soft metals. For engraving on stainless steel, copper, aluminum, we suggest that you upgrade the spindle to a more powerful one or consider our latest CNC machine for metals carving. Genmitsu. Whether you're a CNC beginner, a hobbyist, or a small business owner looking for an enterprise quality for commercial purposes, this is an excellent choice. Genmitsu keeps providing more and more upgrade parts for expanding the CNC machine's potential. This is just the beginning. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. High quality material. Boasts an all-aluminum body with an oxide blue look. This gives you a premium look and feel for your machine. Number 2. Safety design. The 5mm acrylic baffles can block the flying pieces of wood, other cutaway materials so that you can safely monitor the engraving process. Number 3. Efficient pre-assembly. This desktop CNC machine, upgraded to, is pre-assembled, which allows you to be up and running in 30 minutes instead of 2 hours, saving more time to engrave. Number 4. Built for power users. Compatible with Mach3 Contro CNC. The 3018 PR/over Mach3 CNC machine is perfect for users who are looking to build CNC skills or have had previous experience with Mach software. Capable of canned cycles for pre-programmed actions and other advanced features not available through open-source GRBL. Number 5. Pre-assembled. It is mostly pre-assembled and no fuss with basic setup, taking less than 30 minutes out of the box. Upgraded with the all-aluminum body and take advantage of the added stability for milling a wider range of materials while also making cleanup even easier with acrylic safety baffles to help contain dust and provide a safety barrier. Number 6. Controller board. It's suitable for Mach3 and Contro CNC and supports the Windows system. The spindle motor interface can be connected to DC motors, which can be up to 100 watts. And also suitable for 775 spindle motors. Please note that 3018 PR/over and 3018 PR/over Mach3 are not the same model. 3018 PR/over Mach3 has a similar appearance to 3018 PR/over, but it works with the Mach3 system. Number 7. Auto Tool 0. With one mouse click, will automatically return to a predefined position, allowing you to easily change and calibrate your tools. Number 8. Versatile. Capable of cutting all types of plastics, woods, soft aluminum, acrylics, PVCs, and PCBs. This can be used on a wide range of projects and materials. The open design with an effective engraving area of 260 by 155 x 35 mm allows you to work on even larger pieces with fewer limits, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.